change that allowed Neymar to erupt this way tonight compared to games 3 and 4?
Well, we just gave him more touches, you know, because he's really a great post player. So we just took advantage of that situation, and we know when Junmar gets doubles, he's a good passer. So that's what he did today. We just went to him, and then he just decided what to do inside the court. So if he was doubled, he would pass the ball. If he was not doubled, he would go straight to the basket. So I all of my hats out with Junmar Fajardo in this game. He played his heart out. So no, I have nothing to say about this guy except all praises.
Coach, what's your biggest takeaway in this series against Converge that you'd like to bring in your next series against Ginebra?
Well, when we played Converge, you know, where it started with game 3 and 4, when we started to relax, and then we gave them an opportunity to come back. So you know, we just can't relax in any team we play. You know, if Converge was here for a reason. That's why we're in the playoffs. That's why we could not relax against them, because it's a pesky young team. So you know, we had a hard time going back on defense and everything. So against Ginebra, we just have to play well. You know, it's well coached. It has great players. So you know, we just have to play well. We have to play our A game for us to have a chance to beat them.
Thank you, Coach George. Junmar, congratulations. Grabe, may mga pagkakataon sa court na nakahiga ka na lang. Dahil sa dami ng ginagawa mo at sa hirap na ngayong trabaho, gaano ka ba pinagod ng Converge, not only in this game, but throughout the series?
Una-una, salamat sa Miguel na na-enjoy sa game na to. And then, ngayon, credit din sa Converge sa mga series na binigyan nila sa atin. Credit sa kila coach, sa mga teammates ko. Nag-step up kami lahat sa game na to. Kasi alam namin na door time na to eh. Pag natalo, wala umuwi. Plus, ayaw pa namin umuwi. Kailangan namin manalo. So yun yung pinakita namin, laro namin yung lagi yung nire-remind coach na laruin yung San Miguel basketball. Just yun yung ginawa namin tonight. So yun, buti nakuha namin yung panalo.
Neymar, ang ganda ng momentum, not just ng San Miguel, but you, most importantly, dahil conference high mo to in points and conference high for rebounds. Thank you, Sir Fidel. So ang ganda ng momentum mo as you enter your series against Ginebra. Pero looking back sa quarterfinal series na to, ano ba yung biggest challenge na binato sa'yo ng Converge that will really help you in preparing against Ginebra?
Mahirap yung ginawa ng Converge kasi si Justin nag-drive tapos ilang minutes, papasok naman yung mga shooter nila na big. So doon ako nahirapan. Pero yun, thankful ako na coach. Tinutulungan nila ako best way sa kung ano yung pwede may tulong ng team sa akin. So ayun, thankful ako sa kanila. Hindi dahil sa team, hindi ko rin makukuha yung score ng mga. So ayun, team effort.
At this point, we are opening the floor to questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations on making the semifinals. Coach, yun nga, it was a hard-fought battle against Converge. You survived it, but looking forward towards Converge, how do you see them in the future? Will you see them as a perennial threat in the next few conferences, maybe in a few years, with the way they played in this series?
Yeah, you know, I really think so. If they keep that team intact, I think it's going to be a great team in the coming conferences or in the coming season. Because it's young and it's just pesky. You know, they just like to run, they just like to score. It just reminds me of a rain or shine team. They just like to run, score, look and look for easy baskets. So that's you know, if they keep that team intact, you know, in the near future, it's going to be a great team.
Junmar, nakikita mo rin ba na ganun yung sa Converge in the future na magiging competitive sila, lalo na wala pa si Baltasar na nagbibines conference, andun na.
Siyempre, malakas yung Converge din mas para sa saya, paliwalain kasi sobrang bilis nila, yung mga guards nila, shooters, kasi kompleto sila, may big sila, tapos may shooters sila. So, ayun, magiging contenders sila yung Converge in the future.
Coach, looking to the series against Ginebra, contrasting results, you lost by 6, you allowed Brownie to score 51, then you won by 49. Itong at least 4 games ang nakikita natin sa...
That's still the past, yung 49 points na yan, na panalo kami, yung 6 points na natalo kami. Wala na yan. This is back to zero. It's a series, so you know it's adjustment. So yung last 2 games namin, wala na yan. It's just the past, you know. So yung best thing about it now, we start 0-0, and we will prepare for Ginebra.
Coach, just your thoughts on Alex Cabalgan almost beating his former teams on the game.
I know Alex really played well now, you know. Because Alex is a veteran, so he knows what to do inside the court. So and then he reads very well, especially doon sa pick and roll. So it's good na turnover na lang siya sa hoop.
Tinira mo pa. Coach, what's going to your mind? You're down by 99-91 with 7 minutes to go.
That's a lot of time. We just have to be patient. We have to move the ball, and we have to put the ball doon sa right spots, which the players did. They gave it to Big Boy here, and Big Boy made good decisions when he had the ball inside the post.
Okay, Junmar, just your coming matchup with Jacket Aguilar sa series.
Sa ngayon, hindi ko ba iniisip yun. Gusto ko na umuwi, kaya nang marami tulog.
Tulog!
Bukas ka naisip ganyan. Kailangan ko pahinga.
Hindi, isipin mo na ngayon.
Shit! Pwede bumati?
Sige.
Oo, si Junmar.
Okay, siyempre, Mama, Papa, Jay, Kendra, Vance, Johnson, Beliseo, Roberti, Senso and family, sa lahat ng mga house gun, Dota Board, Kraken and J. Car Wash, House of Kraken, Migois, sa mga tanang taga Cebu, tanang taga Pinamungahan, salamat sa suporta. Housekeeping,
Kraken.
salamat. God bless, God bless.
Thank you, Junmar and Rose George.
Jerry R. Hindi pa yung